In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort numbers in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Whether you're organizing a budget tracker, analyzing sales data, or just tidying up some research figures, sorting your numbers can make your information far more accessible and insightful. So, let's dive right in and transform your data into a well-ordered masterpiece. First things first, you'll need to open your browser and head over to sheets.google.com. This is your gateway to accessing Google Sheets, where all the magic is going to happen. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your changes are automatically saved and accessible from any device. After you've signed in, the next task is to open the spreadsheet that contains the numbers you wish to sort. If you haven't created it yet, you can easily start a new one by clicking on the plus icon for a blank sheet, but today, we're focusing on sorting existing data. Locate the spreadsheet among your files and click to open it. With your spreadsheet open, it's time to select the data range that you intend to sort. Click and drag your mouse over the entire range of data you want to reorganize. Remember to include the headers in your selection if your columns have them, since this will help Google Sheets understand what each column represents during the sorting process. Next, direct your attention to the top of the interface, where you'll find various menu options. Click on the Data menu to open a drop-down. From this menu, select Create a Filter. This handy tool is what allows us to sort our data efficiently. Once you click it, you'll notice small filter icons appear next to each column header in your selected range. These icons are key to sorting your data effortlessly. Now, identify the column that contains the numbers you're interested in sorting. Click on the filter icon in this column header. This action will present you with sorting options, among other things. You have a choice to make here. If you want to sort your numbers from the smallest to largest, you will choose Sort A to Z. Conversely, if you're interested in sorting from largest to smallest, click Sort Z to A. Select the option that best suits your needs, and just like that, your rows will reorganize themselves based on the numerical data in the chosen column. And there you have it. Your data is now neatly sorted, and because you're using Google Sheets, all changes are automatically saved, so no need to worry about losing any of your hard work. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made working with Google Sheets a little easier. Until next time, happy sorting.